Hi dear. Welcome here. In today's tutorial we will learn how to crochet an easy bracelet for beginners, step by step. This easy crochet bracelet is quick to make, beginner-friendly, customizable, and perfect for everyday wear or as a handmade gift. So grab your crochet hook and your favorite yarn, and let's make this cute DIY crochet bracelet together. Measuring as you crocheting is the easiest way to get the perfect fit of this bracelet. For this tutorial I am using medium weight yarn in 3 colors and a 7mm crochet hook. Take all the 3 yarns together and make a slip knot. Insert the crochet hook into the loop. Pull yarns gently for proper tension. Now make chain stitches, yarn over, and pull through the loop on the hook. This is your first chain stitch. Make more chain stitches of your desired size. Crochet slow and gently. Total 21 chain stitches. Now properly straighten the chain. Next, we will make a slip stitch at the first chain stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Next, pull through the loop on the hook. Make 1 chain. Cut yarns. Pull yarns together and gently make the stitch tight. Your easiest crochet bracelet is ready. If you enjoyed this easy crochet bracelet tutorial for beginners, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to crochet, subscribe to my channel for more easy crochet tutorials, beginner crochet projects, crochet accessories, and step-by-step crochet patterns. And if you make this bracelet, don't forget to share your finished creation. Thank you so much for watching. Keep crocheting, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!